Hello and welcome. Hello, it's me Rhiannon. So I didn't know what video to make. I've been in a little bit of a rut, as you may know, and my friend Sophie said I really enjoyed your bacon one. So here I am. We're going to be making unicorn fairy cakes. This is what they're supposed to look like. Really cute. And I am not good at baking. So we'll see what happens. They look like they take a little bit of effort, which I'm a bit nervous about. But we're just going to go ahead and do it. Milk and an egg. Oh no, I don't have any eggs. I lied, I do have eggs. So, I'm not even reading this, I'm just singing. Preheat the oven. Step 2, put that in there. Step 3, empty the cake mix into a bowl. You might think I'm cheating. You might think I'm cheating by using the cake mix. But I don't care. So that's that. I don't have a measuring thing. I'm just going to try and work it out. So oh man, I'm just going to put that much and we'll see what happens, okay? Okay. 10 milliliters of milk. Oh God. Bit much. And now, I'm just going to mix it. I used to bake like every day when I came home from school. And my parents would be like, Rhiannon, stop baking. 1, you're messing up the kitchen. And 2, my mum used to say it would sink the ducks. Which is just rude. It's just so rude. This smells like a yogurt. Like a Muller Light. Do you know, this has got like fondant. I definitely think I put too much butter in there. But we'll just see, won't we? Is that what a cake mix is meant to look like? Who knows, right? Yeah, I mean, I've made my fair share of cake mixes over the years, and none of it has had the consistency of yogurt, and actually the smell of yogurt quite like this one. So we may have just fallen down at the first hurdle, but we'll see what happens, eh? Yeah, way too much butter. For definitely. And maybe it's even too much milk. Who knows? Now on to the icing. I have to measure out more butter now. I thought this was meant to be pink. It says sachet of pink icing powder. Is that pink? Eee, this is going so wrong. Then I'm going to take me milk and just one. Dear me. Dear me. Sorry, but that is not pink. What? This is meant to be pink? Well, I've got pink food colouring, so I'll put pink in it, but it literally says pink icing powder mix, and as you can see, that's not pink. Oh my god, I'm reading this. Cut out 6 circles of around 5 to 6 centimetres in diameter and place them on the top of each fairy. Sorry, I didn't realise I needed a maths degree to make some bloody cupcakes. What hassle? And that's way too runny. So now I'm going to take my, I don't know if you can see it, my fondant. Oh my god. Oh my god. Soft and pliable, using a rolling pin and a small amount of icing sugar for dusting. Now I don't have a rolling pin, but I have round things. So I'm just going to use this glass. Right, so now I've got to cut the circles of around 5 to 6 centimetre in diameter and place them on top of each fairy cake. So I'm just going to go get my ruler and protractor from bloody GCSE Maths. The cupcakes are complete out the oven. I'll show you them in a minute. Do you reckon that's about 5 to 6 centimetres in diameter? Oh yeah, I don't care anymore. Oh, by the way, we make every effort to ensure our products are of the best possible quality, and that's why we are happy to refund or replace any Tesco product which doesn't live up to your expectations. Well, you know what, Tesco? I am going to ring you up about me icing sugar that was meant to be pink. It was meant to be pink, came out bloody white as snow, and I had to use my own resources. Thank God I had pink icing sugar, pink food colouring in the cupboard, otherwise would have some albino unicorns. Oh. Save the planet. These are our cupcakes. Tastes alright, like. I think this one's going to be the best one to decorate due to its flatness. Everdeen. It's hilarious. More ice and sugar. Is that too much? Who cares, man? So, you want to make the horn like this. Roll it out. Roll it out, roll it out, roll it out. You know what? That looks alright. Walk your fancy up at the door. I do my... Alexa, play Lizzo in general.
Shuffling songs by Lizzo on Amazon Music.
I think that needs more. Oh no! Now, how do they expect me to make them little eyelashes? So I've had this brilliant idea of taking the little berries from blueberries and using them as eyes. Yeah, they look a bit sad, but they don't look that bad. Okay, so I'll show you the final reveal in a second. So here's what they were supposed to look like. And there's mine. To be honest, other than this one's the best one by far. You can tell what they are though. You know they're unicorns. They're just like really sad ones. Aww. Bless him. Oh well. That's that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Love from me and my little unicorn friend. That looks so bad. Thanks. See you next time.